Hello second mate aspirants. Myself Chief Officer Ashish Bansal, and in this video I will be showing you how to fill the Deck Cadet Record Book, Deck Cadet Structured Shipboard Training Program Record Book, so that you will not do any mistakes. Otherwise there are chances of getting rejected in the MMD during the assessment. So let's start this video. I will be telling you each and every topic. Don't worry, if you have something in your mind, you can mention in the comment box. I will reply for sure. Okay, so this is the first page of the cadet record book. Here you have to write your name, date of birth, passport number, discharge book number. Discharge book number means Siemens book number. Siemens book number means CDC book number. So you have to write here CDC book number. Okay, CDC, whatever CDC number you have, and then you have to write your home address. Okay, so in this way, this is the first page you have to cover, and you have to paste your photos. Okay, you have to paste of normal formal photos with a light background and a contrast photos. So don't worry, do everything slowly so that there are not chances of any mistake. You don't have to fill the record book in hurry. Okay, so this is the instructions they have written. We will go to the next page. So this is the index. Okay, we come to the index page, and on the index page, see, these are all the tasks you have to do. Okay, on the first page, number 12, 13, 14, all the task, all the task is there, and you have to complete all the tasks. There are two record book, as you know. So this is the first record book where you have to fill the cadet particulars. So we will be talking about section 3, your particulars. You have to fill your first name, your middle name if you have, otherwise you can keep the blank, and your last name you have to fill. Okay, after that, date of birth. For example, your date of birth is 7th of June, so you fill 7th of June 1995, whatever. Place of birth, passport number, CDC number, endorsed number. Okay, mandatory to fill. Then you have to fill your home address. Phone number is easy. Fax number, keep it blank. Email ID you have to write. Okay, date of entry. Okay, this date of entry is very important. You have to write the date of entry as when you have joined the ship. That day you can put the date of entry. Okay, height you have to write in the centimeter, weight, blood group, and distinguished mark. If you don't have any distinguished mark, you can keep it blank. Write the name of the company, for example, Synergy, Anglo, Great Eastern, Anglo Eastern, whatever company you have, you write, and the address of the shipping company you have to write here. Okay, you don't write your own address, you have to write the sponsorship company address. Then the next name and the address of the relationship of next of kin. For example, your parents phone number and name you have to write. Okay, your father or guardian you can write here. So after this, we will go to the section 3.2. Section 3.2 is educational record. Okay, so where you have passed your schools, 12th, sorry, class 10th. For the class 10th detail, you have to write here everything. Similarly, for class 12 also you have to write here, and don't do any mistakes. Just you have to write physics, chemistry, mathematics, computer science, whatever subject you have, you have to write the name of the subject and how much marks you got. Okay, for example, 67, 68, 75, whatever marks you have got, you have to write the marks. Second, the third is 3.3, professional training record. Here you have to write, for example, if you studied from HIMT Tolani, you have to write here Tolani Maritime Institute. From where you studied, for example, August 2024 to August 2025, you have studied, so you have to write from August 2024 to August 2025. Then the name of the ship, for example, if you join some Global Harmony, name of the ship, you write here Global Harmony, sign on date and sign off date. Here you have to write very carefully the sign on date and the sign off date. Then your basic particulars, HTCW, you have already completed this before you join the ship, so it is very easy for you. I would suggest these data where it is not the vessel specific, only some training details is there. I would suggest you fill these data at home before joining the ship. For example, this PST Details are they require certificate number, name of the institution, location. This already you have before joining the ship. So I suggest that before you join the ship you fill all this basic data which you already know, which is not the ship specific. Okay, then the record of the other professional training details, this one you will be required to fill once you are completing your cadetship period, or in between cadetship also you can do some courses and fill this data. Okay, now very important, record of the sea service. Okay, record of the sea service is very important. You have to write here whatever the name of the ship is there, then the IMO number this you can get from the ship particular. Okay, very easy. Then the sign on date, sign off date when you join the ship. Don't do this mistake. This sign on and sign off date should match with the master checker of your e-samudra or of your seafarer's profile on the DG shipping website. Okay, so this sign on date and sign off date is very important. This must match with your e whatever I what we call it, e-samudra. Yeah, that should match with the e-samudra, and then you can calculate. Okay, when you are filling your seafarer profile, when you go to the update seafarer profile section in the e-samudra, there you fill your sea time details, the month and the days will automatically come. So that same month and days you have to write here. Okay, so total voyage seagoing service will be calculated here. For example, you have done one shift, two shift, three shifts, then it will be added until last. So total time you have to write here how much months you have and how much days you have. Okay, so this is very important. Do not do this mistake, otherwise your cadet record book will be getting rejected. Okay, so now the SIBO training officer monthly review record book. So this is the sample they have given. Here you have to take the chief officer sign, same like you have to take the captain sign. So like this you have to take the signature of the captain and the chief officer, because the chief officer is the one who will be as a trainer for you on the ships. Okay, so master monthly comment, master monthly review, and company institution record book. For example, if some company your superintendent is visiting the vessel, so you can take the sign of the superintendent. Otherwise, you when you visit your company you can take this record book and give it to the company. They will sign here as a part of the inspection of the cadet record book. Okay, then now the task summary record is here, very important. I have made the video of each task. I will repeat once again, I have made a video of each task on this channel so that it is beneficial for you. For examples, I know some many candidates, many cadets, they are not getting chance to learn all the tasks. So with a practical examples, with a practical, as per my experience, I am just sharing my experience with you so that you will be having a clear practical idea of what and how to do this task, so that once you become a third officer, second officer, or chief officer in future, it will be very easy for you to understand all the tasks, all the things when you are doing practically on ship. Okay, so this I have started uploading. Maybe in another 1 month the uploading will be complete, and you will be able to see and watch the all task. Watch it very carefully and try to do on the ship when you go on board. Okay, so this task you have to do very carefully. This is for your benefit. Do not ignore. As much as you are doing sincerely, it is very beneficial for you. They have made a very good record book, and if you do it sincerely, your second mate exams will be more easier than what you are thinking. Okay, you don't have to be panic, you don't have to be worry about your second mate examinations if you are filling this record book sincerely. So this task we will go one by one later on, but in this video, just as an introductory of what all columns you have to fill, here you have to write the CBT, computer based training. If you have on board, you fill. If you don't have on board, leave it, no problem. Okay, and yeah, that's all. Now the board's safety and security familiarization. So when you go on ship, the third officer will give you the safety familiarization. Okay, so in that you have to finish all this task and take the signature of the third officer. Okay, then here you have to write your duties. Okay, you have to write your duties. If you don't know how to write the duties, I can help you to write the duties. Okay, now the ship particular, very important. So all the ship particular you have to fill. Ship name you will get from ship particular of the ship, ship name, ship type, IMO number, call sign, flag, length overall, breadth, depth, summer draft, summer freeboard, gross tonnage, net tonnage, deadweight, displacement, freshwater allowance, TPC, MCTC. So this all you will get in the vessel particulars. Grain capacity, liquid capacity, keep it blank. Bale capacity, keep it blank. Refrigerated capacity only for containers. TEU also for containers. Freshwater capacity you can write. Daily freshwater generation it is about 20 tons. Freshwater consumption about 8 tons. And main engine particulars are there. That all you can find in the vessel particular of the ship. Okay. Now the main engine output, this also you can find in the vessel particular. Now mooring ropes, this you have to get. There is a mooring plan on ship. Okay, you have to refer the mooring plan. If you don't know what is mooring plan, I can show you the mooring plan also. So you have to go through the mooring plan and write what type of rope you are using. Okay, this, the anchoring part, this you can find from maneuvering poster or bridge poster in the bridge. Okay, this anchor details you can find from the bridge posters on the bridge. Life saving appliances, this you can find or just talk with the third officer. He will be able to tell you. And for the capacity there must be written in the lifeboat 30%, 25%, very easy. But the lifeboat false diameter, this will be normally kept with chief officer as a wire record. There is a wire record on the ship where all the crane, all the davit wire details are there. So in that sheet you have to refer for the diameter of the lifeboat davit. Okay, then the fire extinguishing system, number of hoses and size, this. Go to the LSFFA plan. There is a safety plan, LSFFA plan on ship. Go to the LSFFA plan and on the right side of the plan, there is a list of all the total number of extinguishers, fire hose, boxes and everything. So from that you can write the total number of foam extinguisher, DCP extinguisher here. Okay, then the cargo handling, if you have the crane, wire, derricks, then you can write here, otherwise keep it blank. Ballast tanks, how many ballast tank, this you can get in your general arrangement plan. Cargo tank and number, capacity, ballast tank, cargo pump, these all three you will be getting complete information in the capacity plan. There is a capacity plan on ship. Go and refer the capacity plan of the ship, you will get all the information what is required. Okay, then the make and model. So this one, just talk with second officer, or very easy, when you are going on the bridge, just go to the radar. There is a tag. Okay, manufacturer tag or name plate we are calling. Okay, the technical term is name plate. So go to the name plate of all the equipments, and you can write the make and model. You don't have to ask anyone. Okay, you do it independently. Go through the equipment so that you will learn that what equipment are there, where it is placed. Otherwise, after finish of contract and captain one day asking, okay cadet, just switch on the eco sounder, and you are answering blank, Arey, where is the eco sounder? So don't do that type of mistake. Everything can be find very easily if you follow the structure part. Okay, now the this very easy general particulars. If you are not aware of any jobs or any task or anything, any ship particular you are unable to find, sir, what is GPS, where is GPS, just mention in the comment box and I would love to reply your doubts. Okay, I will clear your doubts. So same ship particular of the other ship, 3 ship, 4 ship, how much ship you are doing that. Now for the section 7 rules of regulations, you have to study the ROR, take the initial, practice it and write here. Okay, ROR is very important. Please do not compromise on the ROI. So now task of navigation. So now task of navigation, this task I have mentioned each and every task I have made a video. Please refer that and solve your doubts. So I have make a specific playlist of section wise. A1 section is separate, A2 section is separate. So say all tasks have a separate playlist. Please watch that playlist and you will be able to complete all the task of a deck cadet very easily. If you are unable to do it on board, if you are sitting at home also, you can watch these videos and learn everything about the task. Okay, so if you like this video, please share with your friends, among your friends, so that they can be beneficial of how to fill the record book. Okay, don't do this mistake. MMD is nowadays very strict. They will take your cadet record book, submit and inspect. So if your fault is found, then there are chances of delay in your examinations. Thank you guys. All the best for secondment. Clear in first attempt and make proud all the best officers. Bye bye.